A pleasant welcome to one and all. We came up with a project on contactless OTP based door lock system from Ishwari Engineering College. Let's get into the project. The purpose of the door lock system is to provide a smart and a secure way of remote controlling the door using our smartphone, which can generate a new password every time we unlock it. So that this lock removes the traditional key-based and electronic lock system where we are likely to land in a big problem if our key were lost or stolen and we might forget the password or a high risk of being hacked. The components required in this project are Arduino Uno, Bluetooth HC05 module, a servo motor, a small LED, a DC to DC converter, a multimeter, a 9-volt battery, a Bluetooth interface module, a screwdriver, some jumper wires, and finally a rack and pinion model made of cardboard. Next is the testing of Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth HC05 is interfaced to the Bluetooth Cool Terminal software through the Bluetooth interface module. The Bluetooth module is set to command mode by pressing the pairing button for a while. After scanning the correct COM port, we set to 38,400 baud rate and terminal options on the software. Once we allow the module to connect, we typed AT on the serial monitor and entered OK. If OK appears, then everything is alright and the module is ready to take command. Now you can change the name of the module, role, password and baud rate. Thus, the Bluetooth HC05 is working properly. Next is the testing of servo motor. This sweep code makes use of the Arduino servo library, which makes the shaft of the servo motor to sweep back and forth across 180 degrees. The servo motor supply pins are connected to the Arduino Uno and the signal pins is connected to the Arduino. Thereby, the servo motor sweeps properly. After that, we fixed the shaft to the cardboard pinion for the door lock system model and it was ran well in the cardboard rack. Next is the circuit assembly. This is the circuit assembly we made. Here, we connected the Bluetooth module to the 9-volt battery through the DC to DC converter and the ground pin is connected to the Arduino Uno. Then, the LED is inserted to Arduino for indication. As the servo motor required a steady supply, it was connected to the 5-volt pin of the Arduino and it is fixed with the door lock setup. As the Bluetooth required a supply range of 3.6 to 6 volt, we used the DC to DC converter to step down the 9-volt to 5-volt supply by varying the screw of the potentiometer using the screwdriver and it is measured using the multimeter.
Next is the door lock app development. We created a layout by just drag and drop from the search components. We chose the MIT App Inventor because it's easy to make an app with blocks without coding. When we get into the code block tab for coding, we initialized the Bluetooth list available for connection. Then we set up the button function to send device ID according to our Arduino coding. After all, we exported the application and installed to the mobile through QR code. Next is the testing of the whole circuit. Once the OTP code was done uploading, the TX and RX pins were connected to the Arduino. At the same time, we opened the installed mobile app. Turn on the Bluetooth of the phone and enter the password of the module for pairing. After that, when you tap on the Bluetooth icon, we got the list of paired Bluetooth. Now we tap on the door lock. On successful pairing, we got a connected message on the app. After that, we tap on the key icon to send the device ID to match. If the device ID is matched, it will send an OTP to the app that we can see in the app text bar between Bluetooth and lock icon. Now we tap on the lock icon to unlock the smart lock. If everything is okay, then servo moves unlocking mechanism and the LED indication shows the successful lock or unlock. Here the serial monitor shows the correct working sequence of the app and the coding. Circuit assemblation on the door. This is the system setup on the door. Here the main board is interfaced to the servo motor with a rack and pinion setup. Then through the buck booster, the supply is given to the Bluetooth module from the 9-volt battery.
Finally, the working of the OTP door lock system. Once we enter the door app, we tap at Bluetooth icon. Then tap at door lock named HC05 module and wait few seconds for connection. Now the status LED will blink after 2 seconds on that it paired successfully. Tap on the key icon to send unique device ID. When we got an OTP from Arduino and it will display in text box next to 2 key icon. Now tap on lock icon on top of the screen to unlock. Again we tap on key icon to lock the door. We got a message as reset try again. So the system provides an extra layer for our convenience and safety, not only to the door but also to protect our valuable things and properties. Thereby it improves the contactless entry. Thank you.